is Tish Williams with an awesome Fairburn home for sale, south side of Metro Atlanta, just moments from Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. Come on inside to see the South Metro Atlanta home for sale.
Let the door open on your new home in this charming community with a fenced-in private backyard. This home sits on an end lot, which is the largest on the street. This end lot has no home to the right, so you can enjoy both lots. In this open concept home, the main level flows from the large living room for entertaining guests to the upgraded kitchen with a breakfast area and a powder room nearby for washing up before dinner. The view to the family room allows you to connect with family on game nights, movie nights, or just catching up on the family schedule and enjoying quality time together. Upstairs, you'll find all the private living spaces, 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, including a laundry room. The secondary rooms are large enough to hold complete full-size bedroom sets, including dresser, chest of drawers, and nightstands. The primary room has its own nook for grooming or meditation and a large walk-in closet. Enjoy the specialty shower/tub combo with jet seating and an easy door for entry.
Hope you enjoy the tour of this awesome Fairburn home for sale. If you'd like a private viewing, reach out to me, Tish Williams, your home sold guaranteed realty, 470-481-1978.